Hi students, today we are going to discuss about factorization 8th class 12th chapter exercise 12.3 second bit. Divide the given polynomial by the given monomial. What is the polynomial? More than 3 terms is called as polynomial. What is the monomial? One term is called as monomial. Fifth one, 15 of a cube b square c square minus a square b cube c square plus a square b square c cube divided by 3abc. Solution: 15 of a cube b square c square minus a square b cube c square plus a square b square c cube by 3abc equal 15 can be written as 3 5 is 15 of a cube a into b square b into b into c square c into c minus a square a into b cube b into b into c square c into c plus a square a into b square b into b into c cube c into c by 3 into a into b into c equal 3 terms common factors a b b b B, 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 C, 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 C. 3 into 5 into common factors A into A, B into B, C into C of remaining terms A minus b plus c of 3 into a into b into c. 3 cancel, a cancel, b cancel, c cancel equal 5 into a into b into c of a minus b plus c equal 5 a into b into c equal abc of a minus b plus c or 5 abc into a 5 a square bc minus 5 abc into b 5 a b square c plus 5 abc into c 5 a b c square. This is answer. Sixth one, 3p cube minus 9p square cube minus 6p q square divided by minus 3p. Solution: 3p cube minus 9p square cube minus 6p q square by minus 3p equal to 3 into p cube p into p minus 9 can be written as 3 3 is 9 into p square p into q minus 6 can be written as 3 2 is 6 into p into q square. Q q into q by minus 3 into p equal 3 times common factor 3, 3, 3. P, P, P. Three into P of remaining terms P into P minus 3 into P into Q minus 2 into Q into Q by minus 3 into P. 3 cancel, P cancel equal minus of P into P square minus 3 P into Q minus 2 Q into Q square equal minus into plus minus P square minus into minus plus 3PQ minus into minus plus 2Q square equal 2Q square plus 3PQ minus P square. This is answer. Eighth one. 2 by 3 a square b square c square plus 4 by 3 a b square c square divided by 1 by 2 abc. Solution. 2 by 3 a square b square c square plus 4 by 3 a b square c square by 1 by 2 abc equal 2 by 3 into a square a into a b square b into b into c square c into c plus 4 can be written as 2 2 ja 4 by 3 into a into b square b into b c square c into c by 1 by 2 a into b into c equal 2 terms common factor 2 by 3 2 by 3 a b b b b c c c c common factors 2 by 3 into a into b into b into c into c of remaining terms a plus 2 by 1 by 2 into a into b into c a cancel b cancel c cancel equal 2 by 3 into b into c of a plus 2 by 1 by 2 equal 2 by 3 b into c bc of a plus 2 1 by 2 reciprocal 2 by 1 equal 2 by 3 BC into A ABC plus 2 2 ja 4 by 3 BC into 2 2 2 4 by 3 ABC plus 4 2 8 by 3 BC. This is the answer.